Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and we actually Miss Jam Tours called this apartment the other day. Miss Jam Tours called this apartment the other day, so we decided to actually go and look at it and see what it's like. What they said, sweetie, it was what? It's ready in January.
Yeah.
And the show house is ready. So we're actually going to look at it. We're trying to find the entrance right now. See, I think its entrance might be on the other side.
Yeah, maybe we missed it.
No,
The
it's not
entrance.
supposed to be round. Go around, you go up and go around.
Okay.
Yeah, family, this is a street inside the rock, and you have a lot of apartments. You know, old one, and this is a very new one. That one is newly built. That one is newly built. So I think the entrance is down this side.
The lofter, this is
The loft. When in the Loftel? The Loftel apartment family. So that's where we're going. The Loftel apartment.
I hope they're the ones.
I think so.
And this is so fun. Even inside the street, you can still get your
Greens and
small
stuff.
fruits and
Small
stuff.
fruits and stuff. Yeah, family. So if you're watching this video and you're looking to come, in January, this apartment will be ready. So
That one.
the show house is ready. So I want to go and look at it for you and show you guys. So in January, you can come and rent, you can come and buy. That's what they say, right?
I think this is the entrance.
This is the entrance here. And I think this is the watchman. It's ready.
Yeah.
Open up, fly the gate.
But I like how they've done the road here. It's accessible and nice.
Yeah, it's accessible and nice, family. So we're going inside,
and the
family.
inside is cute.
Put it inside.
The inside is cute too.
So this is inside.
Wait, let's greet. Habari? Kuna watu wanaweza tuonesha nyumba? Nataka kuona show house. Kuna mtu atanionyesha? Nitaenda wapi? Okay, sawa. Asante.
What are you saying?
Let's drive. Okay.
Put it out. Yeah, family, this is the apartment. You can see it on the stretch. You know, so they said the show house is ready,
Back here, somewhere here.
and it will be ready in
January. For entering.
For rent,
Don't step on these wires.
and for I don't know if they're selling or what they're doing. Family. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours is the real estate agent today. Yeah, the real estate agent today. Which company are you working with? So guys, this is it. We're going to look at the show house to show you guys. I don't know, I think there's an office inside there. We'll go and see. Power. So guys, Jam Tours is here for you. Wow, this is what it looks like. So as you can see guys, work is still, getting done here. This will be ready in January. Seems to be a very big apartment. Very big. I think maybe this is the lady. As you can see, construction is still going on. Wow, it's cool. Wow. This is the lady. Hello. Hello. Hi. So, sweetie, what they say?
What is ready for seeing right now? The one bedroom studio.
Okay. And how many they have? How many? Oh. How many one bedroom? Yeah.
Like 10 to 15.
And studio? Okay. And how much will it be going for? Ah. So you guys will be only selling, not renting? Ah.
We are selling.
Selling, okay. So this is what, the 1 bedroom? Oh, the studio. Wow, it's big. Wow. And the studio is going for what? 3.5. 3.5. Wow, it's nice. Wow. Overseas. Wow, they're coming with actually modern technology.
This is so nice.
Wow. Yeah, family. So this is a 1 bedroom studio apartment for studio apartment. I like how they do it. Yeah. 1 bedroom studio apartment. You want to step on the carpet. 1 bedroom studio luxury apartment. I would say this is a nice bed. Nice place. Let's check the bathroom and see. Oh, 3.5. Wow.
It comes with it.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see. Oh,
I thought it's
decoration.
yeah. You know some places.
Yeah.
But it's quite big. It's very big for
Yeah.
whatever.
Oh, you have your robe there, sweetie. Yeah. Let's check the bathroom now and see. Okay, 3.5. That's 30,000 US. That's like 25,000 US, family. So 25,000 US can get you this in Kenya. Yes, big shower. Okay. Yeah.
Somebody has splashed water.
30,000 US. No, 25,000 US will get you this. Okay. Alright. It's nice. It's nice.
So they'll be ready for occupation in January.
So can I buy now if I want? Let's say I want to buy it now. I can buy it now. Like. Ah, okay. Alright, so one.
It's for those people who are purchased.
Oh, and then they want to rent. Okay. Wow. So I guess if we want to do Airbnb, we would have to buy it and then. So this is the 1 bedroom. Wow, it's big. 1 bedroom. And I say 1 bedroom is going for how much again, sweetie?
5 million.
5 million.
I forget about that price. Yeah.
5 million.
And 2 bedroom 8 to
So
8 to 10 million. Or
8 to 10 million.
8 to 10 million family. So 5 million is like 40,000, 45,000 USD family. So that's a small washroom or something. Wash area.
Okay.
Wow.
Washroom.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, the fridge is right here. Okay.
It's nice.
Okay. I like how it's big and everything. This is the bathroom, as you can see, family. Bathroom is big. It's very big. Eh? I guess they're not install the shower yet, but they will.
Oh, you were yet to install the shower here.
Yeah. Alright, fam. This is the room. Big and nice. Yeah. Yeah, 1 bedroom. 45,000 USD. That will get you this family. And you can see
I love the Jenny.
this is like hotel style.
When I called,
Yeah.
it was like it wasn't somebody from from like a local in
Yeah.
short. So
But then she said it's overseas.
Oasis, not overseas.
Huh?
Oasis developer.
Oh, overseas. Oh.
I should be like hearing your own things. So I love this is good.
It has what?
This socket is good, not the white one, the regular one.
Okay.
Also the wardrobe, and everything is up to date.
This is the light and stuff.
Yeah. Also the
Okay.
lighting is nice.
This is the living room. Yeah, it's nice.
Which one?
Mm-hmm. You have your balcony out here. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Alright. I'll cut you guys a check soon.
So I can take you to a 2-bed, we say, unfinished, not complete.
Not complete. Yeah, let's see.
problem.
Yeah, let's see. This, Okay, this is still a 1 bedroom. Alright, family, let's go.
This is really good job. Yeah.
Modern.
Yeah, very modern.
Modern luxury.
It's like a hotel, isn't it? Hotel style.
Hotel style. Airbnb hotel style. Yeah. Oasis. Developers Oasis. Wow. 2 bedroom. Wow. Big. I like how the room is actually so far from each other. Yeah, fam, this is a 2 bedroom. This is a kitchen area. As you can see, 9.9. It's like 80,000 USD. You will get it this. What's it? The spacing, yeah. This is the bathroom. Yeah, it'll be running. This is the bathroom. It has 2 bathrooms, right?
It has 2 baths.
2 baths.
Yeah.
Should be 2 baths. Yeah.
This is common, the other room is in.
Yeah, it's in suit. Okay. Wow. It's big. I like that though. Yeah. They have the space there and stuff. And this is the this is the master suite. Ah, en suite. Master en suite family. Master en
Make sure
suite.
you show them nicely.
Master en suite. The
The
shower.
shower is the modern one, not that
Yeah.
smaller that just drips on.
Yeah, this is like waterfalls.
Yeah.
Don't pour the waterfalls.
In the washroom, and the whatever is up to them.
Yeah. Alright, so 3 bedroom not ready yet, right?
Sorry?
3 bedroom is not ready.
It's not ready.
Not ready,
Just like
okay.
this.
Yeah, it's just like this, okay.
Would you like to see it
How far is it?
Is it fun? Is it
on this floor?
Let's see. Let's see the 3 bedroom.
I like balcony.
I like how they put this right there. I already set that already for you.
Oh, every hotel has balcony.
So this is going for what? 9 million.
9.9.
9.9, like 85,000 US family for
There's
that
one
one.
for 8.9.
Yeah. Oh, this is a 3 bedroom. Oh, it's massive. Massive.
I don't know where to start seeing.
Okay, 3 bedroom. How many baths? 2 baths. 2 in suite and then 1. Okay. The size of our kitchen.
No, for real, it's like
Yeah.
this is a whole kitchen.
Yeah, guys. So this is like our 1 of the room. 2 in suite.
Wow. And this is not really the master.
Yeah, it's not the master. So this is 1 room. The other room is where?
Here when you bring the couches from Furniture Valley.
Yes, big.
Big style.
This is the kitchen getting installed. It's installed.
Very nice.
Okay. Yeah. And then laundry here is right here. It's big. Yeah, have a little touch of nature right there. Have a little touch of nature. Wow. And then you have 2 bathroom is in suite. So it's 2.
This is not the master. This is the master. Yeah. Because of the
Okay.
arrangement.
Yeah.
This is like the master.
Yeah, fam. This is the master. As you can see.
A king will do it within some space.
Yeah. King will do well here. Yeah. Well. This is the bathroom.
Now this is the size of our kitchen.
Yeah, it's big. It's big, family.
This is the size of our current kitchen.
Yeah, family. So,
Or
and
you
then,
can do a queen and a baby cots.
Cindy,
oh yeah.
because
then
we
this
don't want to share a bed.
Yeah.
And this is the other one. Like, okay. Yeah. But I like the fact that it has 3 bathrooms. Yeah. Everybody has their own bathroom. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is it, family. And that is that. 11 million. So you're looking at 100,000 USD, family, for this one. 100,000 US. Yeah. Yeah, sweetie, we should take our number. So, huh? Should take our number and stuff because we have a few clients.
I'm not going to pick a unit today.
Not today.
Actually, we had even passed and then we remembered what was in this place.
Yeah.
This is from home. Yes, Sharon? Yeah.
Okay.
I'm telling you, once we come, we are coming like Kuja too. Right? That's my number. It has run. It has not yet come. Yes. Maybe.
Yeah, it's very huge and massive.
It's nice. It's very nice. It's worth the
Yeah. The price. Yeah. Within the new year.
Yeah. We have a few people in line that are supposed to say such things. So we'll be together with them. We both think about whether they're doing the bedroom or
Oh, sorry. Oh, this way.
how many floors is it?
10th floor. And you guys have a lift, right?
Yeah, there's a lift.
We have an elevator in the backup generator.
Ah.
What of
Helipad.
So we have water and then we water connected.
Okay.
Okay.
So they have both borehole and water connected.
Left.
Riverhead.
Left.
Oh.
Okay. Wow, we're on the ground floor. That was on first floor, so we'll take.
On the ground floor, we have amenities that comes with the house. The gym will be here.
Alright, gym.
Pool will be ahead there.
Okay, pool.
Play area.
Ah, okay, nice.
That's nice.
That's nice.
What
Okay.
up here?
That is common area. Oh, just like the basket there.
Okay. Wow. Yeah. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Yes.
With the rest of your family.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, see you.
All right. Yeah, family. So you hear it from Jam Tours. You hear it from us first. So, you see what you see. And it's just for you now to make up your mind when you come into Africa to invest, to live, to stay, to work, to play. So family, one love, God bless. It was a pleasure actually showing this to you. So your mind can develop and you can inspire to come to Kenya, family. Any last word, Ms. Jam Tours, of what this just saw?
In short of words.
In short of words.
Again, in short of words, the houses look so nice.
Yeah.
I don't know whether nice is understatement. They look so pretty.
Yeah.
Not true?
Yeah. All right, family. Like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. We are out. One love. God bless.